In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AI block in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just leveling up your workflow, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to drop AI-powered help right into any page and get results fast without changing how you already work. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the AI to help. Place your cursor exactly where you want the content to appear. Then type a / followed by the letters A and I. As soon as you type /AI, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with several AI options. This / command is the fastest way to insert features in Notion, and it works the same on most devices and layouts, so you don't have to hunt through toolbars. From that drop-down, choose the specific AI block that fits your goal. If you want flexible, open-ended help, pick the AI block for custom commands. That option is great for drafting, rewriting, brainstorming, or turning quick ideas into polished text. If you're working through a lot of information and want a concise takeaway, choose AI Summary. It's designed to condense content into key points so you can see the big picture at a glance. If you're capturing outcomes from a discussion, select AI Meeting Notes to organize talking points, decisions, and action items into a clean structure. Think of these choices as templates that steer the AI toward the kind of results you need. Once you've selected the block you want, click Generate. Notion will process your request and place the AI output right in the page as a normal block. You'll see the content appear in context, so you can keep typing above or below it, just like any other note. Clear, specific context usually leads to better results, so it helps to indicate the goal, the audience you're writing for, and the tone you prefer. Short cues like professional and concise or friendly and approachable can guide the AI to match your style. That's all there is to it. Type AI, choose the AI block that matches your task, and click Generate. You get fast, formatted content that integrates with your existing workspace, and you can treat it like any other block going forward. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.